Welcome to the Problem Corner for Pathfinder 2nd Edition. My name is Model 42 and today I want to explain how multi-classing works in this game. This should be quick, so let's dive right in. The term multi-class is not used in 2nd edition anymore. Instead, there is something called archetypes, and there are multiple dozens, if not over 100 at the moment, giving you infinite combinations of classes, ancestries and heritages. No two characters will ever be alike, which is one of the reasons why this game is just so good. But how do you get an archetype, you might wonder? Each archetype consists of multiple class feats, the ones you get on every even level, starting with level 2, not counting the ones you might get on level 1, which not all classes get. So, if you are a level 3 fighter and just got your level up for 4th level, you decide to branch off a bit, since you want your character to be more unique, and you also wrote down that she is the daughter of an archaeologist who vanished without a trace, so you decide that she wants to step into his footprints, learn what he learned and maybe find a clue to what has happened to him, by using his methods, not the things she learned in the city guard. Each archetype has a feat that is called something dedication. In our case, archaeologist dedication. The prerequisites are that we are trained in perception, society, and thievery in this case, since each dedication has special prerequisites, which can be skill ranks, feats, ability scores, and more. If we do not fulfill them, we cannot choose it. In our case, we have fulfilled them, since we needed to be perceptive in the city guard, as well as know the local laws and people, and also are trained in thievery, because we needed to be able to recognize crimes and crime work, and now we can choose it as our class feat for level 4. It is that simple. We write down the bonuses listed, and some may even give us magical skills and the abilities to use them, which you will see on screen right about now, though there are some small rules to think about, though nothing complex. For example, if you have the bar dedication and learn magic through the other feats of it, you can only choose occult spells, not arcane, divine or primal, which is shared by all spellcasters. Standard rules that you now also need to think about when learning spells for the first time as a fighter. All other feats of this dedication have their own prerequisites you need to fulfill, so plan ahead. Also, you are not allowed to take another dedication until you have 2 more feats from the dedication you have chosen. They work like any other feats, and will give you abilities that other classes can learn, but usually a weaker version, which makes sense, since it would break the game otherwise. The versatility you get from this, as well as the potential in role-playing and fun, is enormous, so feel free to try it out. Also, if you have a class that is part of the name of your archetype, for example fighter and fighter dedication, you cannot learn that dedication, because you already are the full-price version, not the alpha test version. I hope this was helpful in explaining the quite easy way of enhancing your class. If you have further questions, just ask me in the comments, and don't forget to leave a like to support the channel, since every click counts, and subscribe for more guide and content coming each and every week. See you soon in Galarian.